Listen, the party just started. Don't worry. One leg to the left side, one leg to the right side. We will party today. Afro Park Fest 2025. You ready for my brother? So, coming on stage is my brother, all the way from Manchester, representing Afro beats to the world. You already know my brother. Make some noise for Luca!
Wait. Milton Keynes. I've come all the way from Manchester for this. We represent Afro beats. I go by the name of Luca Zacotti. Yeah, we're gonna start like this. Let's go. Me about 30,000 feet up in the air. Elevation, too much, not fair. Close your mouth, only God to get there. Talking about pressure, oh my what pressure. Rocking Afro beat like a veteran. Too many ways, they bend over like. Same cast for reflection. What? Kondo. Got into that bag with enough combo. I wish that them Kondo my condos. I don't go stumble. Strike them down like Strangle. Man, I lie in a jungle. All I got come. I'm ready, it made me loco. When we told them money with the tour, Kondo my condo. I'm ready, it made me loco. When we told them money with the tour, Kondo my condo. I'm ready, it made me loco. When we told them money with the tour, Kondo my condo. I'm ready, it made me loco. When we told them money with the tour, Kondo my condo. Shining, one more lady booking an appointment. Give my little diamond. Make you happy for my enjoyment. Tell me say, who better than we? Joey outside circular. Gee, you don't know, say I expand. We shakara, but the boy don't see. Diana, say that's the Diana. What you wanna? Me I don't want water. Take a window. Start up.
preview this. I've got a song dropping in about 6 weeks, but I just wanted to test it out with the people, and what better place than this? It's called Colder. Let me know what you think. Spin that.
Man, I got that shine in my eye, got the devil sitting on my shoulder. Cause these streets they are getting colder, enemies they are getting bolder. Still at night, got me praying to judge it over. Cause these streets they are getting colder, enemies they are getting bolder. Judge a blessing cover me, oh and magic cover me. I know they'll never see my wounded cross. Yeah, magic come over me. This not easy, didn't come easy. Don't think that I'm happy because I'm smiling. G, never sacrifice their life for the stars, man. But I'll fire you when it's a gold magic. This lifestyle too enticing, so they get so they get this. So we keep it on the high tension. Strike them down like shampoo. Man, I got that shine, my eye, got the devil sitting on my shoulder. Cause these streets, they are getting colder. Enemies, they are getting bolder. Enemies, them are getting top. Still at night, got me praying to judge the over. Cause these streets, they are getting cold. Enemies, they are getting bold. Judge a blessing cover me. Oh, magic cover me.
You always say we fucking with that. I got one more for you. Milton Keynes, it has been a blessing. This one I dropped about 3 weeks ago, my brand new single, it's called Igwe. DJ, please take that.
I don't come to fight the power, but just say I know what shit about. I feel the strength, top of the tower. I can send you when we are praise. I'll do my shit. Almost stop like cap when you're willing me. Remember all the times you were feeling it. And now the winning coming feel like an heavyweight. I know them things going talk, you don't resonate. Spend that minute with your body, we don't educate. When you break up, always a felony. What's a bad you must section. But I'm coming anywhere. It's an equal. Police in the street, and they get great. Shut it in your body, say make I go with best. Whole team winning now, they show their interest. Call me Igwe, say Igwe. Police in the street, and they get great. Shut it in your body, say make I go with best. Whole team, I feel it. I don't come to fight the power, but yes, I hour. Just give me your suit, Wahala. Whole team, the hour. Cabana, I know we check about now. Nothing make you straight, top of the tower. I just everyone here pray me, Father. I do it in and I'm holding a Lagos. I'm walking on the evil eye, but I'm dangerous. I see the enemy in their eye, but they angels. Oh, but we see your hearts up. Violence, life, now we make the hour. Doje, Cabana, spend it in a minute, tell on nada. I don't come to fight the power, but yes, I the hour. Just give me your suit, Wahala. Whole team, the hour. Cabana, I know we shake harder. Nothing makes you straight, top of the tower. I just everybody I pray. Oh, yeah, come anywhere, say anywhere. Police in the street, and they get great. Shut it in your body, say make I go with best. Whole team winning now, they show their interest. Come anywhere, say anywhere. Police in the street, and they get great. Shut it in your body, say make I go with best. Whole team winning now, they show their interest. Come anywhere.
Milton Keynes, thank you so much. Have a blessed rest of your day. You know we stay representing Nice. You know we stay representing Afro beats. Look, I'm out.
Make some noise for my brother Luca. Afro beats is a culture. It's not about race or color, man. I appreciate you, dope brother, man. Yes, sir. So, the party continues. Are we ready to give energy? Ready to give energy? Okay.
AJ Productions.
AJ Productions. Warm this thing up before I bring up my sister. Let's go.
dance floor. And I'm feeling funky, cause I'm really double me up. Let me do what you want. Let me know what you want. I don't know what you want. But then you belong.
Meiji.
I'm gonna party
Like 99. I see my brother. Meiji. I'm gonna party like 99.
She the power, she the line. People talk about that. You like this, I like it, my love. I love in your love. I'm trying to show you love.
What you want? David,
I'm loving the
where you just
in the Maybach. She the
David,
she my favorite now. I'm loving the
AJ Production. One more.
Keep on doing slowly. Know that you ain't what you're running for me. Put that picture in the chassis.
It's about time. They're warmed up enough. Now I need that same energy for this dope artist. And she's a queen too. So I need the same energy we gave the guys to give it to the queen too. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Wonder.
What's happening, people? How are you? AJ, run it. What's happening, guys? It's kind of chilly, isn't it? Fucking low. Hey, see this one here? This is hi, hello. Ready? Let's go. Hey. Whoa, hi, hello. Been a long time, I know I flow.